Welcome back to the Step-by-Step English podcast. I am not your host, Alex, and this is not a podcast about English.
Wait, what are you talking about?
I am practicing my negative sentences today. Did I do a good job?
Oh boy, here we go again. Yes, that was perfectly negative, but very confusing for our listeners.
I do not care. I am a grammar rebel today.
Well, hello everyone. I am Emma, and this silly rebel is indeed Alex.
Today we are talking about positive and negative sentences. I love this topic.
Actually, I thought you would say you do not love this topic.
Good one. You used a negative sentence right there.
Exactly. In English, we use negative sentences all the time to say what is not true or what we do not do.
But wait, when we say positive and negative, we do not mean happy and sad, right?
That is a great point. In grammar, a positive sentence just states a fact.
Like saying Alex is very smart. That is a positive sentence.
Yes, it is a grammatically positive sentence, even if the fact is debatable.
Hey, my mom says I'm a genius.
And a negative sentence simply says something is false or incorrect.
So, Alex is not a genius would be a negative sentence?
Exactly. See how easy that was.
Wait, I just insulted myself for the sake of grammar.
You are a very dedicated student, Alex. Let us talk about the rules.
Okay, teacher Emma. How do we make a sentence negative?
The most important word you need to know is not.
N-O-T, the magic word of denial.
Yes, but you cannot just put not anywhere in a sentence.
I not like broccoli, like that.
No, that is incorrect. You need a helper verb.
Helper verbs, like tiny little grammar assistants?
Kind of. Let us start with the easiest verb, the verb to be.
You mean is, and are?
Spot on. With to be, it is super simple. You just put not right after the verb.
Okay, let me try. I am hungry.
Now make it negative.
I am not hungry. Oh, that was too easy.
Try another one with is.
The coffee is hot.
And the negative?
The coffee is not hot. Disgusting, cold coffee.
Good. And you can also use contractions.
Contractions. Like squeezing the words together.
Yes. Is not becomes isn't.
The coffee isn't hot. That sounds much more natural.
It does. Native speakers use contractions all the time.
Okay, what about are? They are my friends.
Make it negative and use the contraction.
They aren't my friends. Wow, that got dramatic really fast.
It did. So for to be, we use am not, isn't, and aren't.
That is a piece of cake. What about other verbs?
This is where your tiny grammar assistants come in.
The helper verbs. Tell me more.
For regular action verbs in the present tense, we use do and does.
Action verbs like run, jump, eat, sleep?
Yes. If I say I play tennis, there is no to be verb there.
So I cannot say I am not play tennis.
Absolutely not. That is a very common mistake.
So how do I fix it? Help me, Emma.
You use do not before the action verb.
I do not play tennis. Oh, I get it.
And the contraction is don't.
I don't play tennis. I actually play video games instead.
Perfect sentence. Now, what about he, she, and it?
Ah, the tricky third person. They always ruin the party.
They just need a different helper. We use does not.
So she plays tennis becomes she does not play tennis.
Exactly, but did you notice what happened to the verb play?
Wait, the S disappeared? It was plays, and now it is just play.
Great observation. When you use does, it steals the S from the main verb.
Does is a grammar thief. I will call the grammar police.
You do that. Let us practice with the contraction doesn't.
He likes pizza, negative. He doesn't like pizza.
Excellent. He doesn't like pizza.
Who doesn't like pizza? That is a crazy person.
It is just an example, Alex. Focus.
Okay, I don't lose focus. I don't usually lose focus.
Good use of the negative. Let us summarize the present tense.
I, you, we, they use don't. He, she, it use doesn't.
You nailed it. Now, what about the past tense?
Oh no, time travel. My biggest weakness.
It is actually easier than the present tense.
Really? Prove it.
In the simple past, everyone uses the same helper verb.
No way. Everyone, I, you, he, she, we, they.
Yes, everybody uses did not.
And the contraction is didn't?
You got it. Let us try an example. I went to the store.
I didn't went to the store. Wait, that sounds wrong.
It is wrong. Remember the grammar thief?
Does did also steal things from the main verb?
Yes, did steals the past tense. The main verb goes back to normal.
I didn't go to the store. That sounds much better.
It is perfect. Let us try one with a regular verb.
She watched a movie.
Make it negative.
She didn't watch a movie. The ed disappeared.
Exactly. Didn't does all the hard work in the past tense.
Wow, didn't is such a great assistant. 5 stars for didn't.
What about modal verbs, like can or should?
I can speak English.
Just add not. I cannot speak English.
But I am speaking English right now.
It is just for the exercise, and the contraction is can't.
I can't fly. That is a true negative sentence.
And you shouldn't try?
Shouldn't. You just used another one.
I did. Should not becomes shouldn't.
English grammar is like a puzzle. Once you see the picture, it makes sense.
It really does. Are you ready for a quick lightning round game?
I was born ready. Bring it on.
I will say a positive sentence. You make it negative. Ready?
Hit me.
The dog barks loudly.
The dog doesn't bark loudly.
We are going to the beach.
We aren't going to the beach.
I have a blue car.
I don't have a blue car.
She was at home yesterday.
She wasn't at home yesterday. Oh, wait. I used wasn't.
Yes, because it is the verb to be in the past, was not becomes wasn't.
I am on fire today. Give me one more.
You broke my favorite mug.
I didn't break your favorite mug. Wait, did I actually break it?
No, it is just a sentence, Alex. Relax.
Phew, you really scared me for a second.
You did a fantastic job with those negative sentences.
Thank you. I don't think this topic is difficult at all anymore.
I agree. It just takes a little bit of practice.
Well, my brain is officially full of English grammar for today.
That means it is time to wrap up the episode.
All right, folks. Thank you for listening to the Step-by-Step English podcast.
We hope you enjoyed learning about positive and negative sentences today.
Don't forget to practice, don't give up, and don't drink cold coffee.
See you all in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep stepping forward.